So this week we're demonstrating the Sentinel intrusion detection sonar and demonstrating that against live divers in the water. We're also demonstrating how it can interface with our technology partners MARSS with their command and control system.
The MARSS are here integrating the sonar, showing how that data can be combined with other sensors such as cameras, radar, providing surface and air picture, which allows a check of what the sonar has detected to see if it is a boat or a diver or other target of opportunity.
Forcys is here really to demonstrate the breadth of the technology that's brought to bear with our sister companies. And that really is relating to underwater security, but also potentially some areas of our technology that these customers simply won't have thought of or maybe not realised that we offer.
So the visitors to the demo will see a live demonstration of the diver detection system. So we'll be bringing a diver in from a boat. We'll track the boat in, we'll watch the diver enter the water, and then we'll see the sonar pick it up very, very quickly and track the diver all the way in, showing any stops that he takes. We can then combine that using NiDAR, point a camera at the boat to make sure we're tracking it, watch the diver go into the water so we know that it's a threat. And then we'll also combine that with some drone flights, detection using radar and also ESM, and align that with a camera.
The specific challenges at the moment are that with the proliferation of drones and small underwater vehicles, the security of harbour-side assets is at risk in both divers and drones. The Sentinel intrusion detection sonar provides a crucial detection capability to enable offensive measures to be taken.
So the user needs a system that's really easy to understand, doesn't have a big training burden or a large burden on the number of people. We need to let the machine do the hard work, so this system, combined with the advanced technology of the sonar, really brings everything together and allows the customer to then focus on what they need to do, which is protect their asset.